Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple, names that dominate our daily lives. But how do these tech giants actually make money? It's more complex and fascinating than you might think. Behind their sleek products lies a financial engine generating billions. We'll explore how these companies turn services into money-making machines, creating ecosystems that are hard to leave. If you're intrigued by the intersection of technology and finance, this is for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with Google, a name that has become synonymous with the very act of searching for information online. For billions of people around the world, Google is the gateway to the internet, a place where questions are answered, curiosities are satisfied, and knowledge is just a few keystrokes away. But behind that familiar, minimalist search bar lies a technological and economic powerhouse that has fundamentally reshaped how we interact with information, businesses, and even each other. That simple search bar is the heart of a colossal advertising empire, quietly working in the background every time you type in a query. It's deceptively simple on the surface, but it's the entry point to a vast, interconnected system that processes over 8.5 billion searches every single day. Google's revenue primarily comes from advertising, powered by a feedback loop of data collection and analysis. In 2023 alone, Google generated over $200 billion in ad revenue, making it one of the most profitable companies in the world. This is possible because Google has mastered the art of turning user data into targeted advertising opportunities. Every search you make, every link you click, and every ad you view adds to a detailed profile of your interests, habits, and preferences. Google uses this ever-growing profile to deliver ads that are more likely to catch your attention, and more likely to be clicked. Advertisers bid to place their ads in your search results, entering a real-time auction that happens in milliseconds. They pay Google only when you click on an ad, a model known as pay-per-click. This system rewards relevance and efficiency, ensuring that the ads you see are closely matched to your interests. It's a pay-per-click model that thrives on scale, and Google's reach is truly global. With billions of users and trillions of searches each year, even a tiny fraction of clicks translates into massive revenue. Behind the scenes, teams of engineers and data scientists are constantly refining algorithms to make ads even more effective. But Google's data collection doesn't stop at search. Its vast ecosystem, Gmail, Maps, Android, YouTube, and more, gathers information from nearly every aspect of your digital life. Whether you're navigating a new city, sending an email, or watching a video, Google is learning more about you to enhance its ad targeting. The more data Google collects, the more precise its ad targeting becomes. This precision attracts more advertisers, who are eager to reach the right audience at the right moment. It's a virtuous cycle. More users mean more data, which means better ads, which means more revenue. YouTube, now the world's second largest search engine, plays a crucial role in this ecosystem. With over 2 billion logged-in users each month, YouTube is a treasure trove of viewing data, interests, and engagement patterns. YouTube collects detailed viewing data to serve highly targeted video ads, contributing significantly to Google's bottom line. Whether you're watching a music video, a tutorial, or a documentary, the ads you see are carefully selected based on your profile and behavior. Google's advertising profits don't just fund its core business, they bankroll ambitious projects known as other bets. These include self-driving cars with Waymo, life sciences with Verily, and moonshot ideas from Google X. While these ventures are risky and often unprofitable, they're made possible by the steady stream of ad dollars. Google is also expanding into cloud computing, smart home devices, and hardware. Yet, despite these new ventures, advertising remains the financial engine that powers everything else. The data collected from these products often feeds back into the advertising machine, creating new opportunities for growth. When you use Google, you're not just searching for information, you're also providing valuable data. In this ecosystem, you are the product, and advertisers are the true customers. Your attention, preferences, and behaviors are what Google sells, packaged as insights to the highest bidder. It's a model built on data and human behavior, all starting from that simple search page. Google's everything engine is always learning, always optimizing, and always finding new ways to turn your curiosity into its next big business opportunity. Next up, we have Amazon, a company that has completely transformed the way the world shops and does business online. Often called the king of e-commerce, Amazon started as an online bookstore in the 1990s, but today, it's known as the everything store, offering millions of products, from electronics to groceries, delivered right to your door. But what really sets Amazon apart isn't just the vast selection or the speed of delivery, it's the powerful engine running behind the scenes. While most people associate Amazon with shopping, the company's real profit powerhouse is Amazon Web Services, or AWS. This cloud computing division quietly powers much of the internet, providing the backbone for everything from streaming services to startups and even government agencies. On the retail side, Amazon operates on razor-thin margins. The focus isn't just on making a quick buck from each sale, but on building long-term relationships with customers. Amazon Prime is a key part of this strategy, offering fast shipping, exclusive deals, and access to streaming content, all for a yearly fee. Prime isn't just a subscription, it's a loyalty machine. By offering perks and convenience, Amazon encourages customers to shop more often and explore new services, effectively locking them into the Amazon ecosystem. This changes buying behavior, making Amazon the default choice for millions. Meanwhile, AWS is the company's secret weapon. It's a highly profitable business that provides cloud storage, computing power, and advanced technology solutions to companies of all sizes. From Netflix to NASA, countless organizations rely on AWS to keep their digital operations running smoothly. AWS rents out computing power and storage, offering a high-margin service that's become essential in the digital age. Its global network of data centers allows businesses to scale quickly and securely, without the need for massive upfront investments in hardware. Even though AWS accounts for only a small portion of Amazon's total revenue, it generates a disproportionately large share of the company's profits. In fact, AWS's success often subsidizes the retail side, allowing Amazon to keep prices low and invest in new innovations. This dual business model gives Amazon a unique advantage. The scale and efficiency of its retail operations help it dominate e-commerce, while the profitability of AWS provides the financial muscle to outspend and out-innovate competitors. Retail brings Amazon massive scale, brand recognition, and customer loyalty. AWS, on the other hand, delivers the profits and technological edge that fuel Amazon's continued growth and expansion into new markets. Together, these two pillars, the Everything Store and the Everything Cloud, form a powerful combination that defines Amazon's dominance in both the retail and technology worlds, shaping the future of how we shop, work, and connect. Now, Meta, formerly Facebook, built on your identity. Meta's revenue comes from advertising, leveraging demographic and interest-based data. Its apps, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, form a social graph of humanity. Meta excels in demand generation, showing you products you didn't know you wanted. Advertisers target specific audiences with precision, creating effective ad campaigns. The feedback loop of user interaction enhances ad targeting. Meta's Metaverse project, funded by ad profits, is a long-term bet. For now, advertising remains the core, mapping social connections for profit. Finally, Apple, with a different approach. Unlike many tech giants, Apple's primary business model revolves around selling premium hardware. They don't rely on selling your data to make a profit. Instead, they focus on creating high-quality, beautifully designed products that people love to use. Apple's business is selling premium hardware, not your data. This commitment to privacy is a cornerstone of their brand, setting them apart in an industry where data is often the most valuable commodity. The iPhone is central, creating a seamless ecosystem with other Apple products. This ecosystem is designed to work together flawlessly, making the user experience smooth and intuitive. Whether it's the Apple Watch, AirPods, or MacBook, each device complements the other, enhancing functionality and convenience. This integration creates a lock-in effect, making it hard to switch. Once you're in the Apple ecosystem, the convenience and seamless integration make it difficult to leave. This is often referred to as the walled garden approach, where everything works perfectly within the ecosystem, but can be challenging to replace with alternatives. Apple's services division, including the App Store and subscriptions, is growing. These services add another layer of value to their hardware, offering users a wide range of content and applications that enhance their devices. Services provide recurring revenue, complementing hardware sales. This dual revenue stream ensures that Apple remains profitable, even as the market for new devices becomes more saturated. Apple's model is selling high-margin hardware and leveraging it for services. By doing so, they create a sustainable business model that benefits both the company and its customers. It's a flywheel of hardware sales feeding services growth. As more people buy Apple devices, they are more likely to subscribe to Apple services, creating a cycle of growth and profitability. Apple's ecosystem is curated and profitable, focusing on privacy and design. This focus not only attracts a loyal customer base, but also ensures that Apple remains a leader in the tech industry, setting standards for both hardware and software. These giants share strategies that keep them on top. Network effects make their platforms more valuable as more people use them. Data is crucial, powering advertising engines and improving products. Platform lock-in creates high switching costs, keeping customers loyal. Their scale and capital allow them to invest in new markets and acquire competitors. These forces, network effects, data, lock-in, and capital, reinforce their dominance. 4 companies, different models, but all leading to massive scale and profitability. It's about building ecosystems that become essential to our lives. Understanding these models is key to understanding modern tech. Each has strengths and weaknesses, but their effectiveness is undeniable. Which company surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.